Now, let's open one of the supplier here. So I'll use the Iman Airport Transfer as an example. So I'm gonna click this one. So the Overview tab provides a complete snapshot of the supplier. You'll see the active contract, active allotments, outstanding payables, year-to-end spending as well. Hang on. So here, the overview, you'll see the total contracts, active allotments, payables, year to date spending. Of course, in overview, there's also booking trend. Here you'll see, and the health score, which have the rate stability, payment health, response time, and document validity. So here there's a contact of the supplier. Of course, there's a location as well. So here is the scorecard. You'll see the response time, on time percentage, of course, complaints if there is, and the payment health. So here I discussed this in one of the video, which is the supplier portal, which is a great tool here. So it will provide a snapshot of the supplier, and you can also share this to your supplier for a quick access. Okay, and also there's a margin, commission, and the financial. Okay, so let's move on here to rates. So here you'll see the rates. Of course, there's service, season, room, meal costs, sell margin, and validity. You can also add rate directly here. So you're gonna fill this one. Of course, the service name, season, room, meal plan as well, currency, cost, sell, validity from and to, and you can add that. Okay, the next one we have here the products. Okay, so you can add directly here products, and you should fill this one: type, name, description, city, country, stores, capacity, base price, and currency. Then gonna till this as active. Okay, the next one we have here contracts. Okay, so the contract is, hang on, you can add contract, just click this one. So you're gonna have the contract type here: commissionable, markup, or flat rate. Of course, the contract number, start date, end date. Of course, the commission percentage, payment terms. You can click the auto renew. Of course, you're gonna have the terms and condition of the contract and the document URL. All right. The next one we have here allotments. So this section lets you manage supplier inventory. You can click this add allotment, then enter the service, total units, availability dates, then you can have save. Okay, these help you track inventory availability before creating bookings. Next one we have here blackout. Okay, if a supplier becomes unavailable during a certain dates, open the blackout tabs, and you can click add plus blackout, select unavailable dates, of course enter the reason, and save. Though this one prevents booking during those periods. Okay, the next one we have here the payables. So this section keeps you track of money you owe suppliers. Okay, so you can have this add payable. So enter the amount, currency, due date, of course the reference, and then notes, and then you can click save. So this one helps you stay on top supplier payments. The next one we have here RFQs. So this section helps you create and manage quotations. requests from suppliers. Instead of like emailing multiple suppliers individually, you can request pricing and availability directly through Travel Boost. Okay. The next one we have here the activity. So this one records every interaction with the supplier. You can also click add note so to save important updates, reminders, or conversation. Okay. The next one we have here negotiation. So this one allows you to record pricing discussion, contract changes, and supplier agreement. So simply click log negotiation. Of course, enter the reason, old and new values, the negotiation outcome, or any notes, and then click save. So this one gives you a complete history of every supplier negotiation. The next one we have here, hang on, we have here document. This is the last one. So this one serves a secure repository for supplier files. So you're gonna have add document, so to upload contracts, insurance certificate, licenses, permits, or any other supplier related document. So this one, keeping everything in one place, make it easier to access important files whenever you need them. All right. So of course, once you're done, just click save. Okay. By the way, you can also edit this supplier information. You're gonna edit like that. Of course, the contact or maybe banking. So, and that's how you manage suppliers in Travel Boost, existing or new. So, from organizing supplier information and maintaining contracts to tracking inventory, payments, negotiation, performance. So, the suppliers give you everything you need to build a strong supplier relationship, okay? And streamline your procurement process. Okay, that's all, and we're gonna see you in the next video walkthrough and tutorial. Thank you.